Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import music, videos and apps from PC. Open 3uTools and connect your iPhone to it. Now iPhone is connected. Here you can see there are no files, no songs, no videos and no apps in my iPhone. Let's import some music from my PC. Click on import, select file and select music from your PC. As you can see, songs are imported to my iPhone. For videos, go to videos, system videos and then import. Using this you can install apps also. Go to apps, search them which you want to download and click on install. Like go to Messenger, click on install. Here you can see the apps are downloading. This will automatically install apps in your iPhone directly. Now I'll show you in my iPhone. Finally, songs and videos are imported to my iPhone. This is the best and easiest method to install music and videos to your iPhone. I hope you guys like this video.